Hi guys, I know I look like crap, the lighting's crap, you can hear stuff in the background, but I realized I didn't make an intro, so I just wanted to say hi. Let you guys know this is like a clean with me slash I'm going to be showing you guys my after Christmas haul because you guys said on Instagram that you wanted to see that. So that will be today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely hit that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and let's get started. So if you guys follow me over on Instagram, I asked if you guys wanted to see the haul that I recently accumulated of things for like after Christmas clearance. So I'm not gonna do like a whole sit down video for that because that's not really what my channel is, but I'm gonna put it in this vlog. So if you are interested, then let me show you guys what I got. So if you guys have been around for a while, you guys know that I had bought my own house a little over a year ago, and I lived there for a year, and then I moved back in with my mom to save up some money. So I'm hopefully gonna be moving back in there soon because I'm renting it out, so hopefully like in the next 6 months. So my color theme in there, I had a white kitchen with like gold accents. So gold was like a big like accent color. So I found this, let me see if I can show you. It's like gold on the outside, white and like purple. I think I'm gonna add purple because purple is like my favorite color. But it says it's the most wonderful time of the year. So it was originally $16.99 and everything I think was 70% off. I don't know, but it came out to be, or 60% off. So it came out to be $6.80, which I thought was a really good price for this, and it's super cute. Next is this Yankee candle. It's called Cozy Cashmere Blanket. And it is technically winter, but it's like not really, like it was in the Christmas clearance, but it's like winter, so you can use it all season long. So it was originally $13.99, which is a really good price for a Yankee candle anyway, but it was 60% off, so it came out to like $5.80 or $5.60 something, which I think is a great price, and it smells so good. I also got this candle. It's called Gingerbread Cookies. And it was $8.99, and then the 60% off made it like $3 something. And this one also smells, I don't usually like the gingerbread like scented stuff, but this one smells really good. And like I said, it's not really like Christmassy, so you can burn it like all season long. You can even burn it like non-winter season. I got 2 more like decor signs. This one's wintry, this one's fall. This one says hello fall. It was $3.99, so it came out to be like $1.20. And then this one, it says the same thing as that big sign. It's the most wonderful time of the year, but it's gold, and then it has like purple all around the back and the sides. And this was $5.99, so I think it came out to like $2 or $3 something. So I think I'm really gonna incorporate the gold and purple when I move back into my house. Alright, next is this, I don't even know what these are called, but it's like a wreath thing, but it's not, like you don't hang it on the door, it's like decor, but it has that gold, which I'm obsessed with. It didn't come with the candle. My mom just bought this candle because she's like, oh, that'll fit, and it does. But this was $19.99 and then 60% off, so it was under $10, and this is gonna look so cute next winter with all of my other gold decor. Okay, the last set of like after Christmas clearance that I bought were these kitchen towels. How much were these? $3.49 and then 60% off. So they're like, again, not super like Christmas. They're not Christmassy at all. So you can use these all year. Same with these ones. So that's why I love like after Christmas clearance, because I try and find things that are not really Christmassy that you can use more than just during Christmas time. So these can definitely be used like all year long. These are more Christmassy. This one says wishing you joy and cheer, and it has that purple and gold. This was, so it came out to be like $1 for this. And then this one says merry and bright. Again, it has that gold. And this one, same thing, came out to be about $1. So I have a ton of dish towels. I don't know why. I just like to like change them up every few weeks. So these are going to go into my huge dish towel collection. I got a few other things, but they're not Christmas related, so I'm not going to show them because I don't want this to be just like a random haul. But if you guys like the haul videos, like me showing you guys certain things, let me know because I'll definitely incorporate them, because I probably shop more than I should. But it's always like clearance stuff, so it's not that bad, right? But anyway, I'm going to get some cleaning done. I'm in my jammies, this gray shirt, and I have purple pants on. Like I said, purple is my favorite color. My slippers, so it's gonna be a super casual clean, but I gotta get some things done.
with 90. I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer, yeah. I can really start over, yeah. In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure, yeah. I can finally start over, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Oh, bye-bye, bye-bye. U-T-L-I, that's how you spell goodbye. U-T-L-I, you'll never see me cry. U-T-L-I, that's how you spell it. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.
I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, trip, trip. Now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 so take me on a trip, 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 trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. I know we're acting stupid,